OpenAI's ChatGPT has been getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. Its ability to generate text that sounds like it's written by a human is impressive. However, instead of thinking about what the future of AI might look like in a decade, let's talk about what it's like today and how we can use it to our advantage. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel. If you are looking to fast track your results and earn a good income using ChatGPT, then details is mentioned in the description. You can visit now. One of the most powerful things about OpenAI's ChatGPT is the new API, or Application Programming Interface, that they've released. This allows developers to easily integrate the technology into their own software or apps. For example, take the app Linza. It's an app that has become popular recently because of its ability to create animated versions of people's faces. However, what many people don't know is that Linza is actually using a free AI engine called Stable Diffusion. The reason why Linza is able to charge $10 for this service is because they've found a specific use case for the technology and made it convenient for people to use. The key to making money with OpenAI's ChatGPT is to find a specific use case and then create a front-end platform or app that makes it easy for people to use. In this video, I'll be giving you 7 different business ideas that you can start using OpenAI's API. Even if you don't have a background in software development, there are still opportunities for you to take advantage of this technology. The market is still wide open, and there's a lot of potential for what I call value arbitrage with ChatGPT. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities. 1. Content creation. One of the most obvious uses of ChatGPT is in content creation. You can use the API to generate articles, blog posts, and even entire books. You can then sell these to businesses or individuals who need content but don't have the time or resources to create it themselves. You can also use this content to develop high-ticket products and generate good income and revenue. You will find details about this in the description. 2. Chatbot development. Another popular use of ChatGPT is in chatbot development. You can use the API to train a chatbot to answer customer questions, provide customer support, or even make sales. 3. Translation services. With ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate different languages, you could create a platform that offers translation services. Businesses and individuals can use this service to translate their documents, websites, or even their customer service chatbot. 4. Virtual writing assistant. You could create a virtual writing assistant that uses ChatGPT to help writers with their writing tasks. The assistant could help with brainstorming ideas, editing, and even generating outlines. 5. Virtual personal shopping assistant. You could create a virtual personal shopping assistant that uses ChatGPT to help people find the perfect products. The assistant could search through various e-commerce websites, compare prices, and make personalized recommendations. 6. Virtual recruiter. You could create a virtual recruiter that uses ChatGPT to help companies find the perfect candidate for a job. The virtual recruiter could scan resumes, conduct initial interviews, and even generate personalized interview questions. 7. Virtual financial advisor. You could create a virtual financial advisor that uses ChatGPT to provide personalized financial advice. The advisor could help people create a budget, invest their money, and plan for retirement. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can use OpenAI's ChatGPT to create new business opportunities. The key is to find a specific use case and then create a platform or service that makes it easy for people to use. With the market still wide open, the possibilities are endless. Hope you liked the ideas. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also, see description for a surprise application of ChatGPT.